Up next in fourth place is the Herschel Chapter Toiletry Kit. What do you prioritize in a toiletry bag? Are you the type who craves spaciousness, letting your items breathe freely? Or do you lean towards meticulous organization with multiple compartments? Well, if you're seeking the perfect blend of these features, then the Herschel Chapter Toiletry Kit is your ideal choice. First and foremost, this bag offers ample space to accommodate all your essentials, making it perfect for everyday use. Whether you're in a camper, a hotel room, or a cozy Airbnb, this bag has got you covered. Crafted from sturdy polyester fabric, it doesn't just boast durability. It surprisingly repels water too. Even the main compartment zipper is water resistant, ensuring your items remain dry and secure even in unexpected situations. Moreover, this travel kit incorporates thoughtful details like a generously sized carry handle, allowing for easy transport. Plus, it's thoughtfully designed for quick access so you can grab what you need without causing chaos inside the bag. Say hello to the ultimate travel companion. Its pros are: it offers enough space to organize your toiletries, accommodating everyday essentials comfortably. The bag is built to last and withstand the rigors of travel, and its water-resistant coating and water-resistant zipper protects your items from spills in damp environments. However, its cons are it might be too large for those who prefer traveling light. And while the bag offers a balance of compartments and open space, it might not have enough small pockets. To sum it up, the Herschel Chapter Toiletry Kit is a versatile, durable, and stylish choice for your grooming needs. It might take up a bit of counter space, but the organization and convenience it offers are absolutely worth it. Still haven't found a toiletries travel bag that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos.